Hello everyone, our topic today is all about monomials, and this topic can be found in pages 21 to 24 of your textbook. Let us have the words to learn. Kindly repeat after me. Variable, monomial, coefficient, degree, algebraic expressions. Kindly repeat the 5 words. Very good. What is algebra? Algebra is the mathematics of unknowns. Muhammad, the son of Musa al-Khwarizmi, who lived from 800 to 847 Christ era, wrote a book titled Algebra about arithmetic of variables. The book was translated into Latin. Its title gave algebra its name. IBN stands for the son of. Al-Khwarizmi called variables shay. Shay is an Arabic name for things. The Spanish translated shay as shy, which X was she in Spanish. In time, this word was abbreviated as X. Monomial. What is monomial? Monomial is a polynomial with one term. It is either a number or a variable or the product of a number and one or more variables with whole number powers. It cannot contain any addition or subtraction signs. Supposing we have 3y to the 9th. Y is the variable, and a variable is any letter in the alphabet representing unknowns. 3 is the coefficient. Coefficient is the number beside the variable. And 9 is the degree of monomial. To get the degree of monomial, it is the sum of the indices or exponents of all its variables. Let's determine if the following is a monomial or not. 5. Is it a monomial or not? Correct, it is a monomial. How about negative 2x? Correct, it is monomial. How about negative a plus 6b? Correct, it is not monomial because of the presence of the plus sign. How about 4x y to the third set? Correct, it is a monomial. How about x to the 7th y over 3? Is it a monomial or not? Correct, it is a monomial. How about the last one, ab over c? Correct, it is not a monomial. Note that negative a plus 6b is not a monomial since addition sign is included, and that ab over c is not monomial since it can be written as ab raised to the negative 1, and c has a negative power. Now let us have a short quiz. Answer this one in 5 seconds. Let us read all together. Determine if the following is a monomial or not. 1/2 ab squared. Timer starts now. Time is up. What is your answer? That's right. The answer is, it is a monomial. Now let us have another one. Let us read all together the given. Determine if the following is a monomial or not. X to the third plus 2x minus 6. Another 5 seconds to answer this one. Timer starts now. Time is up. What is your answer? That's right. The correct answer is, it is not a monomial. Now we are ready to add integers using the absolute value. First, we are going to follow 2 rules under using the absolute value. The first rule is same signs. We need to add the absolute values and use the given sign. The other one is, unlike signs, greater absolute value minus the smaller and use the sign of the greater absolute value. So let us have some examples. Supposing we have negative 9 plus negative 8. So they have the same signs. What we need to do is to add the absolute value of negative 9, which is 9, and the absolute value of negative 8, which is 8. And then we are going to follow the sign, which is negative. So we will be having negative 17. Next, supposing we have to add positive 9 plus positive 8. In here, it is very easy. We just need to add 9 plus 8 is equal to what? Correct, it is equal to 17. And since they are both positive, we will be having positive 17. Now let us have another one. How about negative 9 plus 8? Since they are unlike signs, we are going to get the absolute value of negative 9, which is equal to what? Correct, it is equal to 9. And what is the absolute value of 8? Correct, it is positive 8. Then we are going to subtract 9 minus 8. And 9 minus 8 is equal to what? Correct, it is equal to 1. Since negative 9 has the greater absolute value, we follow the sign of negative 9, which is the negative sign. So the final answer would be negative 1. So therefore, negative 9 plus 8 is equal to negative 1. Now let us have another one. Supposing we have 10 plus negative 6. First step is to get their absolute values. So what is the absolute value of 10? Correct, it is positive 10. How about the absolute value of negative 6? Correct, it is positive 6. Then we are going to subtract 10 minus 6 is equal to what? Correct, it is equal to 4. Since 10 has the greater absolute value, so we are going to follow the sign of 10, which is positive. So our final answer would be 4. So 10 plus negative 6 is equal to 4. Now let us recall subtraction of integers. There is only one rule. When subtracting two integers, write the opposite of the subtrahend and then apply addition. Supposing we have this one, 5 minus 8. So first we are going to determine the subtrahend, which is the positive 8. And write 5. And then what is the opposite of 8? Correct, it is negative 8. And then apply addition. So 5 plus negative 8 is equal to negative 3. Now let us have another one. 15 minus negative 4. So negative 4 is the subtrahend. Then we copy 15 and then take the opposite of negative 4, which is equal to 4. Then 15 plus 4 is equal to 19. Next we have negative 30 minus 7. 7 is the subtrahend. So we are going to copy negative 30 and take the opposite of positive 7, which is equal to negative 7. Then we are going to add. Negative 30 plus negative 7 is equal to what? Correct, it is equal to negative 37. And what is negative 21 minus negative 3? So here, the subtrahend is negative 3. And then we copy negative 21 and take the opposite of negative 3, which is equal to 3. Then proceed to addition. What is negative 20 plus 3? Correct, it is equal to negative 18. Then another technique to do this one, if we have minus and negative, we are going to add. So 15 plus 4 is equal to 19. And this arrangement that we have negative, then minus, it means that the answer is negative. So we have negative 37. I will give you 5 seconds to answer this one. Negative 120 minus 20 is equal to what? Timer starts now. Time is up. What is your answer? That's right. The answer is negative 140. Let us have another one. Another 5 seconds to answer this one. 190 plus negative 10 is equal to what? Timer starts now. Time is up. What is your answer? That's right. The answer is 180. That's it for now. Thank you for watching. See you again next week. Bye!